thalassemia screening absolutely necessary before you plan your marriage? Well, the answer to this can be of different kinds, but yes, thalassemia screening is mandatory before you plan a birth. This is because the incidence of thalassemia in our population is very high. What does this mean? This means that per population, the number of people who might be carriers for thalassemia are very high, and when these two people get married, there is a chance that you might have a child with thalassemia. Now, what exactly is thalassemia? It is an inherited blood disorder which leads to mild to severe anemia. Not all kinds of thalassemia have blood transfusion, but there are few kinds of thalassemias which are intermediate to severe, which might need periodic blood transfusion. Now, because this is a genetic condition, it is passed on through generation. All of us have 2 copies of this gene, and if one copy is mutated, we don't show any symptoms, but we are carriers. If 2 of such individuals get married, then there is a chance that they will pass the mutated gene to the child, and if the child inherits both these mutated genes, they have this condition of thalassemia. If you have a child with thalassemia, there are a number of management methods which are currently can be used, and these can be a bone marrow transplant. There are treatments like hydroxyurea depending on the type and kind of thalassemia you have. If you have a child with thalassemia and you want to plan another child, then there are techniques where we can determine in the womb whether the child will have thalassemia through amniocentesis or CVS and confirm the status. You can also plan a child through IVF, wherein we can screen the embryos and implant the healthy embryo in you. If you have more queries, or if you want to know, is this the thalassemia which will lead to transfusion, consult your geneticist. Thank you.